Hey guys, what's up? So I'm in Elkhart Lake right now and I found this old SOO line caboose here, number 247. Yeah, 247. SOO line caboose 247. Looks like it was given to the Elkhart Lake Historical Society on February 20th, 1947. And looks like it was built in 1906 and was restored from October 2015 to June 2017. Wow, look at those old bearing boxes. Those are not in FRA regulation anymore. Yeah, they still kind of open. Does this one still open? No, it's... Oh, it does. Yeah. So that's where the grease is put in to lubricate the hub of the wheels. Wow. Do these other ones open? This one's a national type 1947. That one won't open. And that one's rusted shut. Yeah, this thing here is pretty old. The trucks are partially made of wood. So yeah, this is in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin. This rail was made by the Illinois Steel Company south of Waukegan, I think. And the 7 there in Roman numerals, that denotes the month, I think. So that would be like July 1893. That's like the oldest rail I've ever seen. The coupler here, massive. And it's fused shut, obviously. Here's the brake wheel, 247 up there. Here's another brake box. Yeah, let's climb up to see inside it. Oh, looks like the knuckle is missing off that coupler. And inside there it's pretty empty, but pretty interesting. Yeah, this is like the view. So yeah, this thing here made completely of wood with some metal. But yeah, those old style wheel bearings are very old, no longer in FRA compliance. This type here, patented 1896. It's kind of strange, the variation of different brake covers. Oh, look at those old brake shoes. That's pretty beefy. Yeah, and it's right next to this old rail depot here, also in Elkhart Lake, obviously. So let's go check it out. So yeah, at one time this was a fully fledged passenger depot. Yeah. There was passenger service from here in Elkhart Lake to Plymouth, and that way up the line to Kiel, Wisconsin. Yeah, it looks like this little alcove right here that's sticking out was where the tickets were issued. I would love to go inside this museum one day. And these tracks right here, I believe they're still active, and they're owned by Canadian National, or possibly even the Wisconsin Southern. Yeah. Oh, and here's the signal bungalow for these signals here. So yeah, this signal bungalow is located at milepost 146.0 Lake and Rhine Streets. So there's Lake Street. So this is on the corner of Lake Street and Rhine Street in Elkhart Lake. And from the faded out WCL, looks like it was originally installed by the Wisconsin Central line. There's the DOT number, DOT 387083 Lima. And that looks like the phone number to call for emergency purposes with the electric meter. So yeah, kind of a weird crossing here. And down there. And also there's an interesting feed mill there. So yeah, this is in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin. Cool little old rail depot with a really old caboose. And yeah, catch you guys later.